Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Outlook, open the desktop app and make sure your profile is signed in. Once done, close competing apps so files won't be locked during export. Next, decide why you're backing up. Choose CSV when you need editable contacts for spreadsheets or PSD when you want a complete mailbox archive. This matters because CSV preserves fields differently. Now go to File to begin the export wizard. Don't skip selecting the correct account or folder to avoid missing entries. You'll follow the Import/Export wizard to do the heavy lifting. First choose Export to a file, then pick CSV for contact-only lists or Outlook data file, PSD for a full backup. This affects field mapping and restoration. After selecting contacts, make sure you pick the correct folder and include subfolders if you store contacts in nested folders. Once selected, click Browse to choose a destination and file name. This step prevents accidental overwrites and keeps the backup organized for later. Complete the export and wait for confirmation. Immediately verify the backup by checking file size and timestamp so you know it finished properly. Then test integrity. Open a CSV in Excel or import the PSD to a spare profile to confirm contact fields map correctly. Once verified, make redundant copies. Store one local and one on external media or cloud. If the file is missing fields, re-export with different format or check account filters. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.